Eternity.
And Felicity.
And we are Wookiee and the Rosebuds. Happy Halloween month. To start off Halloween month, we are going to be doing something extremely impossible, as you can tell by the title. We're going to be following a makeup tutorial. Not just any makeup tutorial, but a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial. Yes. We both really like makeup, we just don't wear it. Anything aside from like blush and maybe some mascara if we're feeling frisky.
I curl my lashes and do like lip color.
Yeah, but aside from that, we don't touch like any type of makeup. This is meant to not look good, and it won't. It won't look good. Because we didn't have any makeup for this video, we went to Walmart to buy some.
Home and how would you pronounce that without the dot on the I?
Yeah. We're at Walmart.
And we're looking at makeup.
Okay, we need a basket. We don't, we can carry it.
Do we need a basket?
I think we need a basket. Okay.
Because we still have to find the eyeshadow, which is like literally the most important part.
So we got a basket. We have some items. We have many more items to purchase. Like a brow pencil. How damn hard is it to find a brow pencil?
Oh, sponges.
Sponges.
$8.67.
Get the $4.88. What?
That's one.
Oh, there's two. Okay.
So we need these guys.
We have brushes. We need a brow pencil and
Well, we still need
lip gloss and lipstick.
primer and like eyeshadow.
We didn't get lashes, did we?
No.
Or lash glue.
This has two.
Get that. And this
For $4.98.
yeah, it's $2.98. You should get that.
We need. What did we grab? Grabbed false lashes.
We got lashes and glue and the beauty blenders.
So we need an eyebrow pencil, primer, eyeshadow, mirrors, lipstick, and lip liner.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh, sis. This is so expensive, guys. Why is makeup so expensive? And we just got the cheap stuff because we're poor.
Shall I start it off? We're starting with, there's a glare. The clicker. We have a Wet n Wild paint palette. It's supposed to be eyeshadow, but we decided to be a little crazy. Here we have a Wander Beauty Wanderess Seascape. This is an eyeshadow palette, but it is not any of the shades that we need, but it does have something that we need. Wet n Wild Bronzer. Wet n Wild Face Primer Matte. We got a Revlon lipstick. It's a Rose and Shine. We have an e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer in Light. I'm Casper. No, you're a lot darker than I am. We got a Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. Oh, and then I actually did have this liquid liner. I've never used it. I got it in like an Ipsy bag. This is the Black Magic Ico. This is e.l.f. liquid liner. e.l.f. So then we got a NYX white liquid liner. Got an e.l.f. shadow and liner duo pencil. Here is the Ofra Madison Miller. In here, it's just one blush in the middle and then two highlighters on the side. And this is a Beauty Blender foundation. Here we have the Extraordinary Translucent Powder from Ciate London. And lashes. We have never applied false lashes. We've never done really most of this. Yeah, dude, should we get into the video? Right, like you can see anything when they're drunk. Okay.
Hello guys, it's me, Nikkie. Halloween doesn't always have to be like super duper scary or like frightening. It can be fun too. And I think
This is frightening.
I'm
so nervous.
right now. So first,
So wait, it looks like she has foundation on though. She has foundation and she did her eyebrows. We decided against doing eyebrows because it's getting really expensive at Walmart. We're going to put foundation on, I guess. I've never used a beauty blender in my life. Do you use this flat side or do you use the top like this? That's too much, is it? I don't know. I've seen some people put the foundation like on their hand and then
Should I do that?
We're gonna do a couple little squirts. Is this too much? I think I'm gonna do good. I think I'm gonna do balls and do that. Whoa! I feel like this is too much. This is already
I
like,
feel like I'm doing everything wrong.
I know I am. I feel like I did way too little. Same. I did 3 squirts.
I only did 2.
Is this the right technique?
I'm gonna have a whole new appreciation for people who do full face makeup, and you did your nails too.
I think I
I'm
did
gonna do
more.
more. Where's my baby hairs?
Did I put enough on my face? I think I need more. I love that this mirror really just highlights all those imperfections. You know what I mean? I think I'm gonna do more. Well, looking at it now, I don't think I needed more. Oh no, we put primer up there.
Where?
Up on the eyelids. That's what she just said. She also put it on her lips. Are you? I am now.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm just doing what Nikki says.
Did she get in the frame?
I don't know. This is too much. I think it's officially too much. My shade.
I'm itchy.
I'm itchy. Oh, do you put it on your ears? I see people put stuff on their ears sometimes in videos.
Put it on here.
We're coming in with the photo focus face primer from Wet n Wild. It's white.
How much did you do?
More than I needed to, I think.
Well, I accidentally put foundation on my lids, so I think this is pointless.
Cause didn't you say the primer like helps the makeup stick on your face?
I thought the primer, you put primer on before. Hashi, could you please leave?
On to the next step.
Dry beauty blender to pat. But first, you want to bring this all the way to that inner way up.
Oh! This is already not the right shade at all.
Here, you barely want to touch the skin because
Oh,
anything right there is
whoops.
going to look too hot. Moving along to the yellow shade.
Whoa there, Nikki. Is she going into her, like, in here?
I did. Let's zoom in on the faces. Money makers.
Do you see my eye?
Yeah, I can.
You look good. You look better. She's doing, like, circular motions. So I'm gonna try circular motions. Ew. I know, I keep stabbing myself in the eye. This is a very light orange. You know what, though? I think she uses brown on the bottom, remember? Barely out here, but, like, in here.
You know what this reminds me of? Do you remember the music video for Now by Paramore?
Yeah!
This is what it reminds me of. Hash, this is not about you. Can you see it?
This looks so bad!
You know, I think the orange makes the brown in her eyes pop.
I like that you're getting positives out of this. Okay, let's do it.
That
The
edge.
yellow.
Flat?
You want the yellow?
Yeah.
And just go left and just using simple left to right.
Oh!
Wanna
Shoot! Oh! Oh! There's an ad! Onto the bridge.
It's Smile Direct Club.
up this chocolate brown shade.
Whoa there,
Nice,
Nikki!
Oh, I got some in my eyebrow.
Oh no! Oh no! It doesn't look like it's supposed to go to the eyebrow.
My eyebrows are thick.
Well, I clearly don't know. You see this nonsense that's happening right now. So, did you get it to the bridge? Because she took hers to the bridge. Taking it to the bridge. Did you? She just said it.
It shouldn't be creasing, god damn it.
The outer corner of the crease.
Right.
So here?
Do you want to do a lighter brown or dark brown?
Dark brown.
I got a secret technique here. Like it matters.
Alrighty, it is time to cut the crease.
Oh no. Oh.
Boom, baby. Sis, that's a lot.
I don't know. It looked like it was a lot on her. Oh shit! That was a lot. Oh shoot! Sorry. Oh, I look like I was punched in the face. I have no idea if this is technique or not. Actually, no. I know for a fact it's not. See, this eye went a lot better than this eye did. How would a beauty guru correct this? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Just gonna take the excess off on my hand. Okay, there we go. There we go. You just gotta put colors on top of colors until it's better. And blend. So that the brown is just on the outer crease. I'm saying we're
Do you like it?
Do you see this? You know what? It's not going as poorly as I thought it would. Okay, so now she said something about cutting the crease, which I think is when you put like concealer on top of it. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do it. Okay, so she's taking the. Okay, so it's like a little wave.
Well, then we're just getting rid of all the
Whoa
work we just did.
I don't know. It's not good. Oh, up close it's even worse, so that's cool.
I do not know what I'm doing.
You see my hand to take the excess off?
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Dude, if we can't get this to work, like the actual bat wing is gonna be so bad.
What do you mean? It looks perfect.
I feel like I just got rid of everything we did. Oh, wow. I think I did something kind of like beauty guru-ish. I mixed the red and the orange together to get like a darker orange type of look. Yeah, that's the key, what I just did there. What did she do? Wait, should we back up or no?
Wow.
Whoop.
swooping and we're swooping.
I feel that I look ridiculous.
That's because I do.
Why do you even put stuff on the lid if you're just gonna erase it?
Okay. Okay.
Not okay.
No idea what's going on.
What's going on?
Okay. I don't think you guys can see, but I did a good swoopy.
I don't know what's
I think I did a good swoopy. That seems like something that Nikkie or Jeffree Star would do.
Sure, yeah. Looks great.
So now, Nikkie, what next? Oh, that's with the, what's it called? From here, it's from the Wanderess, the Harbor, Champagne. Because she says champagne, I think.
There's a lot of pigment on it.
Nonsense.
Okay, now it's time for that crazy bat liner.
Whoa,
Hold
we are
on.
definitely not there. Oh,
I don't know why I thought I'm artistic.
I'm probably gonna do this better than her.
I have no idea. It just looks like my skin tone.
We both come up.
Do you like what you see?
Do you see?
Do you like?
So we're putting the champagne-looking eyeshadow on the crease. This is the most I've ever done to my face in my 21 years of life. All right, let's see, Nikkie. We're gonna do the actual bat wing now.
First, just like you would do any other wing liner. Now from
Wow, mine looks awful.
What's going on?
You did like a swoopy thing. What? So it goes like for. Oh no, I wanted that to go better. This is so bad. Guys, I've made a grave mistake.
What?
See if I work backwards.
My arms are tired.
Oh no! You know what though? I bet. Oh!
Wow, mine are really bad.
Ah. You know what though? All the major leaguers, they just take concealer and just like erase stuff. I'm gonna go in with concealer now. Ooh, I don't know how to fix this. Whoosh. Oh.
Tell me I'm pretty.
Oh,
that is bad.
They're like, you know what? We're just... Genius. Next step. I'm killing it. Oh god. Who dares? Leave us alone. He's popular.
You and me. It's a group text with our mom.
Okay, you know what? I think we're doing it. Now we're gonna do the little wings on the bottom to make them look like bat wings.
what I like to do is create a small one right at the end. The mistakes are meant to happen. That's why concealer was invented.
Some what?
What?
Whoa.
Some lighter.
We're not there. We're not there. Okay. Okay. And then she fixes stuff with concealer.
You know what? This is perfection. It don't need no fixing.
Are you sure?
Well, the left side went better than the right, but that's not saying a whole lot.
Okay, using the concealer though, look at how like pointy I got those two. And then we're just gonna like blend it in. Like, oh, perfection doesn't need concealer.
And it's too far gone. That's the name of a song of ours.
Wookiee the Rosebuds. I thought it'd be worse. You look great. So we're gonna do like a little. We have to show Nikkie what we did. So this is where she's putting. Let's see. Round. Okay. All in all, man, I think we're doing great. Leave me alone.
Never put it on your waterline. That is one thing I know.
Wait, what? You told me when you first taught me how to put on eyeliner, that's where you're supposed to put it.
And then I learned that you shouldn't.
Wait, so where do you put it?
And then we want to do spaghetti sauce and Alfredo sauce.
Wait, so where do you put it?
Underneath it, sis. Sorry, I yelled at you. I'm gonna be Selena. Anything for Salinas.
These eyes be popping. It's getting worse. Do you see this?
Next step, Nikkie.
Ew!
We wanna. So wait, we're doing brown.
So brown underneath the black.
I look tired. Look like I got bags under my eyes. Come give me a kiss.
We can just use concealer, right? Okay, so we're gonna.
I look crazy. Like Batman. I think you're supposed to put mascara on before you put false lashes on.
Does she say to do that?
Is that right?
Alright, this is what we're working with right now.
Alright, I'm quickly gonna pop on some lashes.
Well, you gotta curl them, mascara them, and then put the glue on that. Wait a couple seconds, blow on it so it's tacky, and then you stick it on.
Alright, from afar, still looks bad.
Yikers.
Okay.
gorgeous.
While we're doing this, we could totally tell our devout followers and fans about what's coming up in November.
Our show, November 8th, which is a Friday.
Whoops! How do we do this? How do you get it on? I think with all the advancements, that there would be an easier way to do this.
It's the only way.
Alright, I think that you did pretty good.
Really? You didn't put my... Which lash?
No, here, it
Matters.
does it really? Oh wow, mira que bonita.
Mira.
Whoa, these are big. Hey, we're talking about your mistakes right now.
Or
I have a spider on my face. Ew! I'm gonna have so much footage to edit.
she opens her eyes and you're just like, feels like you got glue in my eyeball.
I might have.
I'm gorgeous.
These bad boys were expensive.
Does anyone wear just falsies every day?
Doesn't Antonio, whatever his name is?
Banderas? No?
It's all the same. Don't look great.
Oh, sis, no! Now, what is she doing?
I'm gonna draw dots because they look really cool.
Wow, it really makes the look pop. Dude, these damn double lids smudged and like made them all.
I look haggard.
Bam!
Oh, whoa.
Do you like it?
I can't laugh.
Whoa! Bam. Just for you, YouTube. Focus on me. Focus on me. Aren't I pretty?
How's it coming, sis?
Things are happening.
Like these things?
You look gorgeous.
It looks rough as heck.
Watch your profanity, sis. Dude, the second half of this is half an hour long.
That is gonna suck balls to edit. So now I have the little dots.
Bronzing. Where do you bronze?
Up on your forehead, apparently.
On
In
your nose?
Whoa there. I'm seeing some pigment now. Believe you me.
I don't.
Okay. And now we're gonna go in with blush.
For a highlighter, I'm
blush?
using a comp.
We're not there yet. So the blush. Pull. Just go up and back. And then for highlighter, are you ready?
Sure.
Where does it go? Like above the blush? Oh, there was still pigment on this.
Shiny.
Where else do you put highlighter?
That's cool. I've never used highlighter.
Oh, my nose looks kind of cool. I feel like a princess. Like a Halloween princess that had a rough night. Yo, can you stop like beating the shoot darn out of this? Here's my face.
Same.
I think lips are next. Oh shoot! Oh, we could have skipped this. I have never put on lipstick by myself. We didn't get white lipstick.
I know.
Do you?
Yeah, I don't see this at all. Identify.
Get some Bougie buns.
Yeah, this doesn't look like hair bunted.
Makeup outside. This is Tease Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline.
Do I need to use this one? This one's more pigmented.
Now you tell me, now that I just put this on. Oh, it's darker.
Oh, let's go pumpkin picking. I feel like a different human. Exactly like this.
This is the completed look. We did it. We followed a Nikkietutorials makeup.
Oh!
So, here is the completed look on Felicity. Let me see your bat wings. Love it.
Do you like it? Do you love me?
There we go.
Wow. Look at that beautiful face. You look fantastic. You did a much better job than I did.
There's no way that's true.
So we did it.
Kinda.
We tried. We tried to follow Nikki.
So, thank you so much for watching us attempt to do Halloween makeup. And if you like this video, then like it and subscribe and follow us and stuff. Yeah. I don't think we did half bad, honestly. We will see you guys next week.
Next week.
3, 2, 1.